One thing I hate is a painted deck chipping, peeling. You know, what do? You pressure wash it, you repaint it. Not me. I think that's crazy. This virus going on, I figure gotta wear a mask, so let's just drag out our grinder with 36 grit paper on it. Start tearing it back down to the real wood. That's right. That's the wood that you see over here. It's over here. Don't worry. I got my mask on. Got my glasses. I think the mask is supposed to be on my nose, mouth, not my head, but it'll be there. So another DIY for you. I'd had more time tearing these boards off to put new ones, or to put the tracks decking, or pressure washing to repaint. Well, I don't like paint on the deck, so this is where I'm at. Stripping it down. I'll do a light stain and polyurethane it, and it'll be beautiful. This is what you got to do. Get yourself a grinder, 36 grit pads, your mask, your glasses. Take your time. I'm not a big glove guy, but so there's no gloves. Anyway, hoopty, over and out. See you next time.